I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Infinite Warfare crash, so make sure to follow my methods. Now for the first method, you should go to the search bar and then look for settings or type it in the search. After that, you'll be redirected to the home page, so go to the left menu and select the Windows Update in the bottom. After that, you should ensure that you have already installed the latest Windows updates by clicking on the download and install all button right here. Once done, you can close this. Next, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. This NVIDIA app should be appearing right here, so if you can't find it for some reason, you can just go to their official website, download it from there, set it up, and come back here, open it. Now once this pop up, go to the left menu and select settings. After that, we need to make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. Go to drivers icon and select the install button appearing right here, and make sure to follow with the installation process in order to ensure that you have the latest driver for your graphics card. Next, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click on any empty space. After that, select task manager. Now once this pop up, you should go to the search and type in the launcher that you have the game on, which is for example Steam. Once done, if you do find the Steam launcher running like this, you just need to go right click on it and select end task. After that, you need to wait for a couple of moments, and before relaunching the Steam launcher, just go to the search and type in device manager and make sure to open this. Go to display adapters, open it, and then do not select the integrated graphics card, select your main one, right click and select update driver. After that, select search automatically for drivers and click on close. Now close this. For the next step, you should open the Steam launcher. So once done, go to the top left corner and select the Steam icon. After that, make sure to select check for Steam client updates. If you do have the newest client, you should find the download button appearing right here, so click on close. After that, go to the view and select library. Now look for Call of Duty Infinite. You must find it and select it. I don't have it installed, so I'm going to show you using this. You need to select the gear icon appearing in the right. After that, click on properties. Now go to installed files in the left menu and select verify integrity of game files. You need to wait for the process to finish. It will start by verifying any corrupted or missing file will be automatically restored safely without the need to install the game from the start. Next, go to the general option and make sure to type in -dx11. After that, select close, and that's it. If you do find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.